Hi everyone, you're watching Bizzi Art, and in this video I'll show you how to make a Hina doll set. I've got two sheets here for my Hina. I'll start off with the Mabina and I'll grab my paper. I'll fold this in half on the diagonal. I'll do this on both sides initially. Then I'll fold the sides into the center crease. I'll fold these flaps in half. Then I'll open these up to do a squash fold. Then I'll flip the paper over and fold the top triangle down. Then you'll need to make the head by folding the triangle up just a little bit. Then I'll take the bottom corners and these get folded upwards. Then to finish, take the side corners and fold these inwards. Use the parallel edges as a reference because you're folding from one corner to the other, if that makes sense. And done. Now I'll make the obina. With this sheet, I'll fold this just like I did before. I'll fold it on the diagonal on both sides. Then the sides get folded to that vertical crease. I'll fold these flaps in half. And then I'll make the squash folds on these. I'll flip over to the other side, fold the top triangle down, and then fold it up again just a little bit to make the head. Here's where I do a couple of different steps. So I'll take the side triangles, just the upper layer only. These get folded inwards. And then the bottom triangle, just the upper layer, that gets folded in as well. So I'll flip over to the other side now, and then the final step is to fold the bottom triangle up. To complete this set, there's also a folded screen, which I'll make from a rectangular piece of paper. So using the edges, fold these in to form a frame as such. I've got very thick glossy paper here, so I'm trying to be extra careful with the folds. The paper I've used for this set, it was part of a book, and the pattern on this paper for the screen is very symbolic in Japan. It's a scenery of a plant that's been believed to be auspicious, which brings good luck and good fortune. The Hina dolls are made to celebrate Girls' Day festival in Japan. So they'll often make the dolls and put them on display with this beautiful pattern in the background to really honour and celebrate the health and happiness of young girls and women. On the other side, I will be working with the corners here. These are really tiny folds, but I'll fold the corners in, making a little triangle. And then I will double this over, and I'll just work my way around on each corner and do this very carefully. Then flip over to the other side and fold the edges in once more. Then to finish off, I'll fold this in half, and then you can put your Hina on display. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.